Hi, this is Sammy again. Happy Family Day to all of you. As a Monday is a family day. Anyways, so I'm gonna do a question that's very common question that you'll definitely get a question like this on a test if you're writing a test on linear equations. So what they're asking is find the equation of the line passing through the point 2 and 1 and 4 and 5. So anytime they give you 2 points on a graph, which is a straight line, then you could find the slope, and then you could find the equation in the slope-intercept form, or the y-intercept form. Now to do that, first thing you do is you find m, which is the slope. So you take your points right here, call them x1, y1, x2, y2, and you find the slope that way. So y2, which is 5, minus y1, which is 1, so 5 minus 1 over 4 minus 2, so x2 minus x1, which gives me 4 over 2, which is 2. Now, what I know from this equation now, because I want to write in this form, I know the slope, so basically y equals 2x plus b. Now take any of these points and sub it in for x and y. It doesn't matter, this one or this one. If you like your numbers to be small, I'll choose the point 2 and 1. So that's x, that's y now. Sub it in for x and y right here. So you have 1 equals 2 times 2 plus b. 1 equals 4 plus b. So you move the 4 to the other side, it becomes minus. And then you get negative 3 equals b. And therefore, the equation of this line is y equals the slope, which is 2x minus 3. So this is the equation in slope-intercept form. Okay. Let's say they ask you to write it in general form as well. So general form is ax plus by plus c equals 0. So to write the equation in general form, you have to write it in this order. So alphabetical order, x, y, and then the constant. When you're writing in general form, make sure the coefficient of x has to be positive. So let's say this was negative right here, then it's better to move everything to the left side and make it so that the negative 2x becomes positive. But since here, the 2x is positive already, the coefficient of x, or the number in front of the x is positive, then you want to move the y to the other side. So you get 0 equals 2x minus, move the y to the other side, becomes minus y, and then minus 3, and that's the general form. And this first one here, it's a slope y-intercept form. So these are the two forms. So this is basically the slope y-intercept form, and this is the general form right there. Again, this is a question that you'll get in every test that is deals with the linear equations, most likely in grade 10. So anyways, I hope this helps you. Till next time, thank you for watching. And remember, success in learning is success in life. And don't forget to subscribe and then put a like and a comment on my videos if you like them. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye-bye.